Should you give up if the toilet is still clogged after multiple plunging attempts? Most clogs made of toilet paper and human waste respond to repeated, properly executed plunging rather than immediate replacement or calling a plumber. Start by creating a tight seal with a flange or bell-shaped plunger. Push steadily with strong strokes that alternate between compression and pull to create both pressure and suction, and keep your hips squared over the bowl to maximize force without losing balance. If the water level is dangerously high, remove some water into a bucket first to prevent overflow, then proceed. For tougher blockages, try a closet auger by feeding the coiled cable slowly until you feel resistance. Rotate the handle to break or hook debris, then withdraw while maintaining steady pressure. Avoid excessive force that could crack the porcelain. Use hot but not boiling water poured from waist height to help dissolve paper clogs. And add a small amount of environmentally friendly enzyme cleaner the night before for persistent slow-moving drains. Always wear gloves and eye protection. And have towels ready to contain spills. If you repeatedly plunge and nothing budges, reassess for non-paper obstructions or hard objects that require different tools. If you reach the limit of your comfort, or the clog seems mechanical, stop and get professional help to prevent damage. The three most common mistakes are giving up too early, using the wrong tool, and applying uncontrolled force that risks damage. People often stop after 1 or 2 weak plunges, but most paper clogs need multiple strong cycles to break apart, so keep going with proper technique and short breaks to rest. Using a flat sink plunger or a plunger without a flange prevents a good seal and wastes effort, so switch to a toilet-specific flange plunger or a closet auger for deeper blockages. Yanking or hammering the auger or plunging wildly can chip the bowl or damage seals, so apply steady, controlled motion and stop if you encounter hard resistance. At that point, inspect for foreign objects such as toys, sanitary products, or a broken fixture part which require removal tools or expert service. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share practical repair experiences that relate directly to persistence in home repairs. Our site also helps contractors find work and join the discussion community where members trade tips, tools, and step-by-step troubleshooting advice.